Hello everyone. My name is Franklyne Abung'ana. Welcome to my online tutorials, where I give you the insight on emerging technological issues affecting matters in education. Subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss out on my upcoming tutorials. Subscription is free, you won't be charged anything. Instead, you will be notified whenever I upload a new video. Welcome and keep on learning.
Launch any browser of your choice. Type the following web address in search box. Hit the Enter or Search key on your keyboard. You will be taken to this home page. We have the Senior Schools and Junior Schools tabs. Select the first tab for Senior Schools. Under this tab, we have three drop-down menus. The region, county and sub-county drop-downs. For demonstration, I'll select the Senior School tab. For the region, I select Western as shown. For the country, I will go for Kakamega County. And I will select Kakamega East as the sub-county. Make sure you know the location of the school. It will make your work much easier. Once you have completed the selection, hit the Find Schools tab to display schools. Narrow down your selection by manually typing the name of the school in the search box as shown above. Click the See More link under Information header. It will direct you to the school's profile page. While here, you will see a summary of pathways. Scroll down to view subject combinations offered. For this school, they only offer social sciences and the STEM pathway, which is common for the most senior schools, 60% as promised by the Ministry of Education under the curriculum. There's also a provision to view location information. You can as well print the page or take the screenshot for reference if you wish to. Bye, and remember to subscribe to my channel.